Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add font in Capcut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my Capcut mobile application and I'm going to add font to this project. If you want to do that, first of all, we need to go to the tags menu right here. Then you can click on add tags and you can go to the font section. Just click on the font and then you can select add font. Since we want to add font to this Capcut project, then you're going to click on this plus button and make sure you have downloaded fonts from the internet. I have downloaded some fonts from the internet and I'm going to add that font. We can click on upload file and just upload the font you have downloaded. I'm going to add this font to my Capcut, so I'm going to click on it. And as you can see that the font has been uploaded to my Capcut and we will be able to use it. Just click on the font and you can type in the text you want to add to your video. I'm just going to type Capcut. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how you can add font in Capcut mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.